Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add DogeChain to your Metamask wallet on mobile application on Android. Okay, go to your Metamask wallet. In the middle of top of screen, click on Networks and click Add Network. Click Custom Networks, and here you need to put all information about DogeChain RPC details. I will post all in the description of this video. Network name, it will be DogeChain. Chain ID is 2000 and Block Explorer. That is all. I will post all this information in description of this video. That will be easy for you to put all information in your wallet. Just click Add. You will see this screen. Just click Got it, and now you have DogeChain in your wallet, as you can see. That is all. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe and notification bell.